Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito po yung reading ko para sa mga Libra. This is for January 2021 love reading. Take what resonate guys. Kung ikaw ay cross-watcher, pwedeng maging ikaw ito at hindi si Libra. Or, pwedeng maging ito yung person mo Libra at hindi ikaw. So, take what resonates. And also, we have here Virgo Philippines. This is our other channel. Feel free to check it out kung you are dealing with the Virgo or kung yung ang person mo ay si Virgo, dahil pwede may mga reading rin dyan na para sa'yo. Okay, so let's start. We have here religious factors, children, the snake, heart with a key, knight of cups, the hangman, and the star dito sa energy ng person mo. Pero syempre, pwedeng maging energy mo rin to. So, take what resonates. Bahala ka na ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. So, we have here Aquarius energy and we have here Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. For what I can see here, might be you're dealing with someone or there's marriage involved here sa situation. Or pwedeng yung person mo is currently in a relationship or ikaw ito na currently in a relationship. But there's this someone na, would like to come or pumunta sa'yo. There's a soulmate connection here between the two of you. Gusto niyang magbigay, gusto niyang magpaabot. If you're a girl or if you're a woman, this person would like to, manligaw. Matagal na siya naghihintay. And the problem is that hindi niya magawa yun. There's a lot of pain. Pagdating sa person mo, might be this is your childhood sweetheart or someone from your past na nakikita ko dito. And there's a competition here. Might be hindi siya makalapit, hindi siya makagawa ng action kasi we have your wedding at middle dito sa reading natin. Ito yung one of the main energy na nagiging problems between your connection. We have here the wedding. So might be there's a marriage involved sa situation or medyo deeper level of commitment, but this person is waiting for you, like gusto niyang makipag-commit, gusto niyang kasi ikaw yung may hawak ng puso niya ng susi sa puso niya, like kahit ano man yung gawin niyang action or kahit anong mang alis ang gawin niya or ikaw dito sa situation niyo between the two of you, bumabalik at bumabalik. Kaya lang, this time around, gusto niyang bumalik. The problem is, you're still committed. Yan yung nakukuha kong energy dyan. Sa side mo naman dito, we have also here a soulmate energy. So, yeah, high possibility that you are dealing with a soulmate right here. Pwedeng soulmate mo nga ito. And there's a lot of chemistry right here. The more na lumalayo kayo sa isa't isa, is the more na masakit para sa inyong dalawa. And pag pinaglapit kayo, ang nararamdaman kong energy dito is that it feels like a magnet. Like iba, there's a spark na medyo mahirap ipaliwanag. We have here the Emperor, Aries energy, the Chariot, Cancer energy, Four of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So, ang nakukuha ko dito, it feels like you're trying to run away. Ikaw yung umaalis dito sa connection na ito, pero at the same time naghihintay ka rin. Kaya lang hindi ka gumagawa ng action because for some of you, you might be having this lots of responsibility. Wife material ka for some of you. The other person involved dito might be there's an engagement already, and kasi nga he or she sees you already as someone na parang wife material. And the same din sa energy ng person mo dito, yun din ang tingin niya sa'yo. Kaya parang nagkakaroon ng paglalabanan. And at the same time, sa emotion mo, sa puso mo, maybe the other person is not yet making any move. Hindi pa nagagawa. Pwede rin naman gumawa na ng action. Nagsabi na sa'yo. Pero kasi we have here mask, not showing true feelings, hide, personify, pretend, delude, gaslighting. This could be your person na hindi sinasabi yung totoong nararamdaman niya sa'yo. At the same time, pwede rin namang ikaw ito na hindi mo sinasabi yung totoong nararamdaman mo, yung emotion mo towards this person kasi tumatakbo ka, lumalayo ka. And also, maaaring ikaw ito na nagtatago ng emotion mo with regards sa person na ka-in relationship mo ngayon. Might be because there's an engagement ring here already. Okay? Masakit. Kumbaga. But you know what? Kung wala pa, possible na magkaroon ng engagement dito sa inyong dalawa. Pero kahit anong tagal or kahit anong tinatry mong alisin itong person na to sa utak mo. There are times talaga, especially at night, sa gabi, nag-iisip-isip ka because you have this red string na nakikita ko na kumukonect sa'yo at saka sa person nito. Like, kahit anong try mong kalimutan itong taong to, bumabalik at bumabalik siya. You are the chariot right here, Cancer energy, tumatakbo, umaalis, at hindi naghahabol. Pero, wala eh. Yung energy niya mismo ang humahabol sa'yo. Like, kahit hindi siya magparamdam, nararamdaman mo siya. Might be because you are this soulmate connection right here na nararamdaman natin. We have your wedding. It is safe for you to love the phoenix. Cupid's arrow, abundance. Keep a positive mindset. Manifest what you exactly want. Gratitude, bliss. Alam mo, you know what you want. Alam mo yon. Alam mo kung sino or ano talaga ang gusto mo. Isipin mo lang ng isipin. Gano'n man ka-imposible nito, nakikita ko ang possibility nito. All you have to do is to manifest this. Have faith. Love is coming. Surprise invitation or meeting, hesitation. So, maaari ngayon nagkakaroon ka ng hesitation or hindi ka nasisigurado sa connection nyo between the two of you, pero magtiwala ka lang. There's a transformation, growth, at saka meron din mga change of mind dito. Possible that if you are already engaged, possible na merong pagpapalit ng decision dito or yun nga, change of mind. Why? Kasi ngayon mo lang na-realize na nagmamahal ka ng iba. And mahirap naman makipag-commit lalo na kung nagpaparamdam na itong past person na ito na gustong bumalik and you also want this person as well. Kaya lang, nakapag-commit ka na and medyo mahirap nang umalis, lalo na kung may family involved na dito. Like, halimbawa, alam na ng both sides ng families nyo yung regarding sa wedding or regarding sa relationship yung dalawa, so mahirap nang umalis dyan. Pero nakikita ko with the wheel right here, malaking pagbabago. Why? Because the Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, 3 of Swords, 6 of Wands, nagpapakita ito lahat ng parang singlehood. So, might be, hindi pa talaga ito yung person na para sa'yo. Like, if you're already engaged, possible ng ending of a relationship dyan. And also, why? Kasi mapapag-isip-isip mo na kung papasok ka sa relationship na to at itutuloy-tuloy mo to, forever na to, mahirap nang umalis lalo dito. And we have here 6 of Wands. I mean, if both this person would really like to have you. Pareho sila, gustong makuha ka, gustong mapasa kanila ka. Pero yun nga, there's this 3 of Swords. Kailangan mamili ka lang ng isa. And ang nakikita ko dito sa ngayon, ang pinipili mo yung sarili mo at hindi silang dalawa. Okay? Pero, at least, malaking pagbabago. And we have here love call. King of Swords, 3 of Pentacles. For some of you, you're dealing with someone who is, sees apart or malayo sa'yo. I'm seeing someone here who is a seaman or, I don't know, may kinalaman sa energy niya ng may mga wirings. Okay, so possible na that you're dealing with someone na ang trabaho niya ay may kinalaman sa mga wirings, ganyan. Or a carpenter, painter, ganyan. Someone who is very creative. Pwedeng ganun, ha? Take what resonates. We have here Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Like, ang hirap isipin na there's a 3 person involved dito sa situation na ito eh. But this person would really like to, alam mo, tinatry niya mag-focus sa work niya, sa money niya, sa mga kung ano man pinagkakaabalahan niya ngayon. But then there are times talaga, especially at night, nagising siya because this person would really like to call you. For some of you, pwedeng nagkakaroon na kayo ng connection, may pag-uusap na dito. Pero a lot of you hindi pa, wala pang connection. But this person would really likes you to know kung ano talagang yung motibo niya. Okay, gustong-gusto niya nang sabihin. We have here the High Priestess, 5 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles. So that is both 5. Alam mo, because of this pag-iisip, alam mo kung ano yung nasa isip niya? Gusto niya ng completion eh. Gusto niya ng makasama ka kasi ikaw yung bumubuo sa kanya. Gusto niya ng freedom kasama ka. Like, may pagsigawan niya sa mundo na, akin to. This is someone who is having this bitter feeling. Like, nalulungkot siya, napaka-bitter niya. Gusto niya talaga siya yung kasama mo sa ngayon. Kaya lang, maaaring Kasi nagigising din siya sa connection. You are dealing with your soulmate right here. High Priestess is someone na pwedeng there's a soulmate connection or possible na mataas ang kanyang spiritual knowledge. And nagpaparamdam sa kanya yung mga angel guides niya. So, might be hindi ka rin nawawala sa isip nitong person na ito. There's this feeling na parang paulit-ulit kang nasa isip niya. And we have here both. So, yeah, you might be dealing with a seaman right here or a captain. Receiving what you need, progression, arriving, moving on, closure issues. 9 of Wands, the Tower. I would like to clarify this, guys. Kasi medyo mahirap kuhanin yung energy niya dyan dahil 2 Libra yung nakuha ko dyan. Pero I would like to clarify para mas ma-explain ko na maayos. Thank you. We have here Gemini, Libra, Aries, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius energy. So, ang nakukuha ko dito is that this person would really like to, alam mo, ang hirap nito kasi naghihintay siya. Sobrang naghihintay siya, hindi siya gumagawa ng movement. Pero, nakukuha ko yung energy na gusto niya nang i-end itong paghihirap na ito. Gusto niya ng closure, gusto niya mag-move on, but then hindi rin naman siya makaalis sa connection. Like, maaaring times or ilang beses niya nang tinry, especially if you are already in an engagement right here. Possible na doon pa lang sa pakikipagrelasyon mo dito sa person na ito, tinry niya nang mag-move on. Kaya lang hindi nandun yung connection, nandun yung hirap kalimutan na yung connection yung dalawa. And we have your Hand of Cards, 8 of Swords, the Hierophant. This is your energy. Parang you're trying to not open up yourself, pero nakikita mo rin na there's a possibility you would like to take this chance or risk. Pero you're being strategic right here. Nagkakaroon ka ng strategy dito sa ginagawa mo ngayon. Like, nagpapaka-close ka or tinatry mong mag-focus sa sarili mo. But then, it feels like you're having this strategy na ginagawa ngayon. Like, hindi ka aalis kung nasaan ka dahil gusto mo munang malaman kung saan ka dapat pumunta. There's a lot of option and I feel like hindi mo muna para gawin yung mga choices sa ngayon. And we have here photograph, King of Wands, Page of Pentacles. For some of you, you might be looking at someone's pocket, like, being practical. Might be you're dealing with someone na kaya you're staying in this situation or in this relationship kasi there's a lot of protection, there's a lot of money. Sabihin na natin yung person that you're dealing with is medyo mataas kasi ang finances niya compared to the other one. Kumbaga, financially stable itong person na kinoconnect mo ngayon. And we have here King of Wands. But this person is really willing to fight for you. Gusto niya nang maging honest. Looking at your photos, like this person is having this nostalgia. Miss na miss ka na niya You might be also thinking about this person and looking at this person's photos. Kaya lang, you know what? At the bottom of the deck right here. Ito yung kailangan mong gawin You have to free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Ikaw lang makakapagsabi niyan. Kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ako sa'yo, yun ang pipiliin ko. Pag-aralan mo, you have your 8 of Pentacles. We have your King of Cups. Ace of Cups. 2 of Swords. And again, the Wheel. Magkakaroon ng pagbabago kung mamimili ka. Pero kung ako sa'yo, piliin mo yung mas matimbang kung sino yung minamahal mo talaga. Hindi baling wala siyang ganong karaming pera as long na mas mahal mo siya. Dahil alam mo, hindi ka naman nabubuhay dahil sa pera. Mas nabubuhay ka dito sa kung saan ka masaya. Okay? Aanin mo pa yung buhay mo kung hindi ka naman masaya kung nasaan ka ngayon. 'Di ba? So, pag-aralan mo mabuti. Saan mo ba talaga gusto? Disregard the other person involved. Hindi naman yung mga relatives mo yung pakakasalan mo or sa pakikisamahan mo or, hindi naman sila Ikaw at ikaw pa rin. So, saan ka mabubuhay? Yun lang yun. We have your healing heart. Paradise, love, heartbroken, judgment, 4 of Wands. Yes, there's marriage, there's judgment. Pero this is heartbroken. Although there's marriage, there's a contract right here with the judgment. There's 2 doves na nakikita ko dito, and this signifies marriage, 'di ba? Can you see the last card here? I mean, these 3 sets of cards. Are you happy? You're heartbroken. Hindi ka masaya. So, aanhin mo pa yung relationship, yung marriage, yung pagsasama, yung mga pera, or yung pakikipagsama na yan kung hindi ka naman masaya. You're deeply hurt, sad, separation, break up, feeling lost, grieving, mourning. Yan yung energy mo, yan yung emotion mo. So, kung wala ka pa dito sa energy, kung sa side na ito, sa marriage involved na ito, might be, aalis na lang ako with the judgment right here. It feels like, yes, this also signifies a soulmate connection right here. For me, there's a lot of love, unconditional love, self-love, oneness, passion, affection, attraction. And there's happiness, expansion, joy, playfulness, oneness, enjoying each other. Possible that you're dealing with a twin flame. I see yin-yang energy, twin flame or soulmate connection. And we have here healing heart, healing from heartbreak, freedom from toxic relationship or addiction. Alam mo, once you enter a relationship, once you enter a marriage right here, nakukuha ko na yung ending sa'yo eh. Time will come na oo, nasa paradise ka, nandyan ka sa sitwasyon na okay ka, tinatrato kang reyna, na full ng pagmamahal sa'yo. But time will come na parang every day of your life, you're trying to move on. Every day of your life, you're trying to heal. At saka maraming pagsisisi. O, saan ka? Diba? But mapipilitan kang mag-stay sa relationship na every day of your life, hindi ka masaya. So, that's it for now, Libra. Thank you for watching. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot. And if you're dealing with a Virgo, we have here Virgo Philippines. I love you all, guys. Thank you for all the comments. And bye-bye.